Hello students, a very warm welcome to all of you in BSc final year for BSc Physical Sciences with Physics, Computer Science and Mathematics. Today we will know about the subject which you are going to study from computer science side. So first subject DSC 2A is operating system, which is a theory based subject and it is without practical. Second DSC 2B subject is data structure and file processing, and it is a practical based subject. Now coming to skill from computer science, skill 4, it is optional. You can choose either from math, physics or computer science. In case you choose skill from computer science, then it is software engineering. Now let us see the detailed syllabus for final year. So coming to first subject, it is COMP 301 TH operating system. It comprises of 4 units. In unit 1 we will see the introduction to system softwares, types of operating systems. In unit 2 we will cover operating system organization, process management, scheduling. In unit 3 we will learn about memory management, how memory is managed, and in unit 4 we'll know about shell introduction and shell scripting, means how to work on Unix based platforms. The recommended books are given in the syllabus. We will follow the first one, Operating System Concepts by Silvershats Galvin. Now coming to second subject, it is COMP 302 TH data structure and file processing. In short, you can call it data structure. In data structure, in unit 1 we learn about basic data structures. In unit 2 various types of operation which can be performed on data structures. In unit 3 we will know how to organize the memory used in physical devices, and unit 4 we study about file organizations, how file system is implemented in secondary disks, and again recommended books are given in syllabus. So we will follow Introduction to Algorithm by T.H. Corman. Next you can see the list of practical related to data structure and file processing lab. Last, which is optional subject, skill enhancement course 4, and in this case it is software engineering. In software engineering, in unit 1 we will see about software processes, then software requirements. In unit 2 design concepts and principles. In unit 3 software configuration management, in short SCM, and software project management, how software projects are being managed in a organization. And in last unit we will know about the various testing techniques available with trends in software engineering. What are the recent trend in software engineering? The recommended book we use is Software Engineering, a Practitioner's Approach, Roger S. Pressman by McGraw-Hill publication. Thank you. Have a nice day.